Hi everyone, welcome to Kat's Creations, where I'm going to show you today a really simple tip that I've been asked to do, which is how do you wire up a 14-inch Dollar Tree wreath frame. And I thought I would just take a moment to show you how super simple this is. I use this for virtually every design that I have. So the Dollar Tree wreath frame's really super simple. So there's a couple ways that I've seen people do it in the past. Some people try to, they wire onto the cross member. This is just my recipe. This is just what works for me. So I'm taking the time today to show you. So the reason why we wire two sections or two rails together is because it creates greater stability. If you only put a pipe cleaner on one, depending upon where you want that pipe cleaner to be, it doesn't matter how tight you get it, it has no strength. It just wobbles, which means that when you place your Deco mesh inside, your Deco mesh is going to move around within the sections. So let me show you really super simple how easy it is to do this. And I'm color coordinating this to match a St. Patrick's Day wreath that I have. So in each one of the Dollar Tree sections, there are 6 total. You're going to take one pipe cleaner and you're going to place it and wire it together using the 2 innermost rings on your rail. So you're going to simply twist and then just kind of place that wherever you want it to be. And as you can see, we don't have that floppy pipe cleaner. So really quick, we're just going to do this one here. Just like that. And I find it's just easier if you go around the middle first, or the inner 2 rings. Just like this. Just like this. We'll add another one. And I know that this seems pretty basic, but this is what I've been asked to do. If I could do these really short tutorials showing people how to do it. This would greatly help people who are trying to put together a 14-inch Dollar Tree frame. Now I'm going to use this one and the weld. In this section there will be 2, and they will be positioned just like this, using this and your pipe cleaner. You're going to find a middle ground, and then you're also going to do that on the opposite side. So this way you're wiring together 2 to the outside 2 in every section. And I put these on there fairly tight. So when I'm twisting them on there, I'm giving them 2 good solid twists. And then we'll just continue doing that all the way around. I know it sounds super simple, but sometimes we just assume that things are simple and others actually struggle to get those to work. Okay. Hi, Shirley. So I will be doing a video like this for every single wreath frame that I use, so that you guys can do it or refer back to it whenever you need to. So you're going to see a lot of these little tip videos that just pop up randomly. So I'm hoping that these simple steps will help you become an extraordinary wreath maker. And if you notice, these are basically about every 3 inches apart. The ones in the middle are closer to 4, but you can average them out. They don't have to be perfect. Grab a couple more. Just like this. Hi, Deborah. So if you like tips like this, you might enjoy joining my private group. And the doors close for open enrollment at the end of this month. So if you like these tips and you like being taught the wreath making basics, we're launching, or we have been doing a 6-week, I think it's a 6-week, might be longer than 6 weeks. We're doing a back to basics course, which walks you through simple things just like this. And then as you can see, this gives you 6 to the inside, just like this. And then you have 12 to the outside for a grand total of 18. This works for the ruffle method, the curl method, the bubble, or not the bubble, poof method, the curl and weave, and probably something else that I can't think of off the top of my head. So I hope you enjoyed this super quick, super simple method. Now you understand how we wire up a 14-inch Dollar Tree wreath frame to make a wreath making base that is both easy to use and extraordinarily affordable. All right, everyone. Well, thanks for joining, and I will talk to you guys all real soon.